adding a student to your institute can be very easy. A student will simply come to your institute profile, select the course in which he is interested, and simply he will click on enroll and he will be enrolled in the course. But if you want to add a student to your course manually, there are many ways to do it. Let me show you how. First, go to your admin portal, click on courses, select the course in which you want to enroll a student. Click on students. Then to add a student, click on add students. Click on add individual students. Fill all the details, student name, phone number, email, select the gender and select the batch in which he wants to enroll. Upload the image if you want. Then click on submit. This was the first way to do it. Now, second, go to the manage user section, go to the student section and click on create user. Enter all the details and click on submit. If you want to add students in bulk, click on bulk users upload and download the sample. Enter the student details in the format that we have provided you. Then choose the file and upload it, and bulk users will be uploaded.